Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show around this 308 SW in the GT line specification. So this vehicle's just £30 a year to tax. It features 18-inch alloy wheels, has tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Inside the car it's half leather interior. Both the front seats have massage function. The touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of our home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.